Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mile High Stocks. In this video, we will be discussing my top stock picks going into tomorrow, February 26th, 2021, as well as next week. But first off, please go hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications and hit the like button. Now then, because of the market pullback this week, this provides an excellent opportunity to buy a lot of stocks on a discounted price. There are several stocks we are going to be going over. The first one is Mara. Mara is a Bitcoin mining company, and because Bitcoin is on its current pullback, it provides an excellent opportunity to buy Mara at a discount before Bitcoin decides to rip back up to all-time highs. The second stock I'm going to be talking about is SUNW. SUNW is a green energy company, and the green energy stocks took a massive hit this week due to the market pullback. And as a result, this provides massive discounted prices on their stock. And because we have President Biden and the Democratic Party in office, they are much more likely to pass legislation for green energy than their Republican counterparts. So that is why I am currently bullish on SUNW, because you had a major pullback, you could possibly have future legislation, and you're hitting support areas on its daily chart. The other stock I'm looking at is RIOT, R-I-O-T. It is a blockchain Bitcoin mining company, same as Mara. And because Mara also pulled back, RIOT also pulled back. And RIOT is currently at an excellent price, well below its highs. And I truly believe that you can get 1.5, maybe 2 times your investment right now over the coming months when Bitcoin decides to rip back up to all-time highs. And the last stock is Tesla. I've been talking about Tesla a lot. Every single time Tesla has dropped 10%, it's proceeded to rip back up to all-time highs. When Elon Musk tweeted, "I think Tesla is overpriced," it proceeded to crush that price out of the water. Tesla dropped over 6% today. It dropped back down under $700. I'm going to look to see what happens with it tomorrow and try and enter a good price, if it drops tomorrow, for a swing trade into next week. Now then, let's go look at the charts. This is the daily chart for SUNW, Sunworks. It is a green energy company. As I mentioned at the beginning of my video, I am bullish on green energy stocks because of the Democratic Party having power in Congress and the executive branch. And if you look here on the daily chart, you can see today that the previous support level now became resistance level. So I'm looking for this to drop back down and hold this $10 support level, and I'm looking for an entry between $10 and $12 tomorrow for a potential move back up to $18, $20, even $30 in the coming months. As you can see, it's also below the 50 EMA, so the farther it drops away from the 50 EMA is a more discounted price and a better entry point for long-term swing trading. The next stock I am looking at is Mara, M-A-R-A. As I mentioned before, Mara is a Bitcoin mining company, and as you can see, when Mara was all the way at all-time highs, Bitcoin was also at all-time highs. And since Bitcoin has pulled back, so has Mara. I'm looking for Bitcoin to make a turnaround and jump back up to all-time highs within the next several weeks. So I am bullish on Mara for a bounce off this critical support line. As you can see, the critical support line is for this long green candle and this red candle. We also had a very bearish day today due to the overall pullback of the market. So it is much better to buy when a stock is already down 8% than to buy and proceed to have it drop 8% after you have already bought shares. So I am looking for a possible dip trade off the 50 moving average or the critical support line at $25 a share. And my price target would be back up to $37.50 or $40 per share, or even all-time highs at 50. The other Bitcoin stock I mentioned is RIOT. RIOT is a blockchain mining company, and as you can see, it hit critical support today. I want to see if it holds this 45 level and bounces back up tomorrow, and back up over $55, even $60 going into next week. This is why I am bullish on RIOT, is because the past 3 candles, it was down over 12% today, but it stayed above the critical support line, and that was extremely important. And when Bitcoin decides it wants to move back up after its current pullback, I will be bullish on RIOT to follow that momentum back up with it. And the last stock I am talking about today is Tesla. I know I talk about Tesla a lot, but because Tesla has been down over 30% this week, I'm looking for possible dip trades. Earlier in the week, I took a dip trade from 650 all the way back up to 737. So from about right here, and I sold the next day at its high for that day. Good thing too, because of how much it dropped. It dropped over 8% today, and I am looking for a move back down to critical support. I have drawn multiple critical support lines above the $500 price line. And the further Tesla gets down, I think the more attractive the price gets. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as well as turn on notifications. I hope to see you again in my next video. And please comment below what you think about these 4 stocks. What are your thoughts on the video? What are your thoughts on Tesla going into next week or Bitcoin? Thank you very much. Have a great day.